Hi everyone, welcome back to Math with Amala. Let's start a new part of your chapter, number 10 of grade 6, named mensuration. What do you mean by mensuration? Yes, we are dealing with some measurements which are actually needed for the real life situations. The first thing is perimeter. Perimeter means the complete distance that we cover through the outer surface, not the inner. We will be going only through the boundary. So you can simply say it like the length of the boundary. Perimeter is the distance covered along the boundary, forming a closed figure when you go round the figure once. You're moving only once and you will get a unit, and that is called perimeter, and the unit of perimeter is units. That means if it is centimeter, you will give only centimeter. If it is meter, it is you will give meter. If it is kilometer, you will give only kilometer, like 10 kilometer, 20 meter, 30 centimeter, like that. Here I have given a figure which contains A, B, C, D, E, F, and this is containing some segments, line segments only, and you can calculate the perimeter with the given measurements, and all the measurements are given in meters. Perimeter means you will start from A and you will reach B, then C, then D, and likewise you will move only through the boundary at only once. AB plus BC plus CD plus DE plus EF plus FA, that is the total answer is 495 meter. Perimeter of a rectangle. In order to calculate the perimeter of a rectangle, let us consider a tabletop. The tabletop is of the form rectangle and it will have two lengths and two breadths. In order to calculate, you have to move through one length, then one breadth, then again one length, again one breadth. You can add all these length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. You will get 2 into length plus 2 into breadth, which is equal to 2 into L. You can denote length by the small letter L plus 2 into B, that is breadth. Now you can take the 2's outside and you will get L plus B inside the bracket. Now to find the perimeter of a rectangle whose length and breadth are given like 150 and 1 meter respectively, 150 centimeter and 1 meter, and you have to note that both are in different units. One is in centimeter and the other is in meter. So let us take the length 150 centimeter and we have to convert this into meter. Otherwise you can convert the next term to the centimeter. So the breadth can be converted to the centimeter since it is 1 meter. It is simply you can write 100 centimeter. Now the perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B, that is 2 into 150 plus 100, which is equal to 2 into 250, that is 500 centimeter, and you can convert back to the meter, that is 5 meter. Next one, the perimeter of regular shapes. So you have some regular shapes. Regular means all the sides and angles are equal. Equilateral, equiangular shapes are called regular. So the first shape is square and its perimeter is 4 into length of a side. Equilateral triangle means all the sides are equal in a triangle, that is 3 into length of side. Its perimeter is 3 into length of one side. The next one, regular pentagon. Here 5 into length of one side. Likewise, if you have regular hexagon, 6 into length of one side. Regular heptagon, 7 into length of one side, which means all other sides are repeated. Okay, and you have only one side to, you need only one side to be multiplied with the repetition. Okay. For example, the perimeter of a regular hexagon is 18 centimeter. How long is its one side? So we have to calculate its one side and its perimeter is given. So the perimeter is equal to 6 into length of a side, that is 18 centimeter. So length of a side is equal to 18 by 6. You have to take the 6 from the multiplied form towards the right side of the equal to sign in order to make it a divisible action. So you will get 18 by 6, that is 3 centimeter. Now we can move to the area part. Area means what? Area means the portion covered inside. Or for the perimeter we were calculating only the boundary length, and now we are going to calculate the surface which is covered at the top. Let us consider a tabletop, and for perimeter we just moved on to the moved only through the length of the boundary. And for area, you are covering all the space which is covered as a plane inside the or the just at the surface of the table. So area is the amount of surface enclosed by a closed figure. Unit of area is square units or unit square. If you are calculating in meter, you have to do it in meter square. Otherwise, square meters. You have two representations: square meters or meter square, centimeter square or square centimeters, or square kilometer or kilometer square. To find the area of figures in square grids, find the number of sorry To find the area of figures in square grids, find the number of total squares and half squares and count the numbers and add. That means to find the area of figures in square grids, we have square grid and that can be used for calculating the area. Find the number of total squares. You have to calculate the total number of squares and also the half squares and count them completely and add them. Now, area of a rectangle. You can simply give the equation like length into breadth, and area of a square is side into side. The sides are not different, they are all same for a square. Now find the area of a rectangle whose length equal to 12, breadth equal to 4. So area is equal to length into breadth, that is 48 centimeters square. Find area in square meter of a piece of cloth 1 meter 25 centimeter wide and 2 meter long. So we have to calculate the answer in square meter, and the question is given in both meter and centimeter, and you have to convert that complete towards meter, then you can do this. So the area is equal to, so the breadth is equal to 1 meter plus 0.25 centimeter, 25 centimeter, that is 0.25 meter. So 1 plus 0.25 meter is 1.25 meter. So the area is equal to length into breadth. That's equal to 2m 2 meter into 1.25 meter, that is 2.50 meter square. You can simply say 2.5 meter square. Keep practicing and don't forget to follow this channel for more updates. Thank you all for watching the video. Please be stay tuned for the upcoming parts of your classes.